So let me move this all in view so you can see what I'm doing. And I want to just darken these little bits here again. So this is the alizarin crimson mix, and mine is very red now, so I'm going to go in with the alizarin crimson. There's a bit of a point there while it's wet, and I can always lighten it a bit later. And want to go in and darken this. Now you can see, oops, the color is a little bit sort of buckling. The paper, sorry, is buckling. That's okay. We'll just do it like this. There you go. And then I'm going to take my same pink mix, just move this out the way for a second, and then dab my brush, create a little marking. I like to paint in all of the texture and the petal here. And a bit more. So it is a bit wet now, so it won't necessarily take the color. I'm going to just see what's wrong with Sammy. Just give me a second. Nearly done. Just a bit more detail on some of these petals, and then I'm totally finished. I really enjoyed painting this zinnia from my garden. And then I'm going to take my same pink mix, just move this out the way for a second, and then dab my brush, create a little marking. I like to paint in all of the texture and the petal here. And a bit more. So it is a bit wet. So what I want to do is I've painted that one now, so I want to focus on this one because there's quite a bit still that I have to get down. And I think, let me see if I can open a bit now because the sun is gone so that you can see. Might not be totally okay yet, but I think yes, better. So let me get the color down here. So slow soft layers, just to start getting the detail down here. And I'm not touching my hand on the paper here because that's wet, so preferably we need to make sure we paint the other parts first before we touch it. So I'm going to just get this down for a second around this petal here that is sort of folding like that. Just need